Hey everybody, welcome to another lesson of physical education brought straight into your home. Today we're working on improving our underhand tossing skills and improving our communication skills with a partner. The activity we're going to work on to accomplish these two objectives is called backwards target toss. I found this game from another PE teacher named Mrs. Meyer. She's a fantastic PE teacher. And to do this activity, first you'll need a safe space. I'm in the garage. I have plenty of room to move and to toss different objects. You'll also need, for this activity, besides a safe space, some equipment. And I have, first and foremost, 5 different pairs of socks rolled up. These are my sons and daughters' socks, and they make for nice tossing objects. I'm gonna need 1 target container, and you could use an empty garbage can, trash can. You could use an empty cardboard box. We're gonna use this container as our target today. The bigger your container, the easier it is to make your underhand toss into the container. And you're gonna need one partner, at least one partner to work with, who can talk to you and can help you out to be successful. I have found my partner, my wife, Ronnie. Come on over, Ronnie, say hello.
Hi.
Let's get better! And to start this activity, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my back to the playing area. So there's a big space behind me and I don't wanna be able to see that space. So I'm gonna close my eyes, I'm gonna cover my ears, and my partner is gonna take the container and she's gonna put it behind me quietly so I don't know where it is.
Okay.
And then she's gonna tell me.
Okay, you're ready.
Okay, it's good. So I don't know where it is. And I'm gonna take my sock, I'm gonna toss it behind me without knowing where my target is. And I'm gonna swing my arm like this. And did I make it?
You didn't.
Okay. So now my partner is gonna give me some advice. She's gonna communicate to me on how I can adjust my throw to make the sock into the target.
I would advise that you throw a little more to your right.
To my right, so this way.
Yeah.
More force, less force, or the same amount of force?
A little bit less force.
Less force, okay. Okay, here we go. Come on.
Ooh, okay.
Almost?
A little closer. A little bit more to your right. And a little more force. Closer.
Okay, so I still gotta go to the right.
Yep, more to the right.
More force.
And more, a little more force.
Okay, okay.
Ooh, you're getting closer. The perfect amount of force, just a little more to your right.
Okay. Last one.
Oh my god.
Almost. And then after I get 5 chances, this also works on, dealing with winning and losing. I did not do so well, and my partner gave me great instructions, but I missed it, and I could get real sad and bummed out, but I'm like, you know what? I can get better next time. We can get better at this. Those are great instructions. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
After I have gone 5 times, I'm gonna switch with my partner. My partner is gonna get her 5 chances to toss. We're gonna communicate, we're gonna get better at tossing and catching, we're gonna make jokes and have fun together. This activity is called backwards target toss. I hope that you enjoy playing it. I hope you get better at underhand tossing. I hope you get better at communicating with your partner. I hope you're staying healthy and safe at home, and I hope to see you soon. Take care, bye.